Hey everyone, if you wanna block somebody's number, just follow these simple steps. So firstly, open the phone app and then go to the call log page or to the contacts tab. Then tap into the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Then go into block numbers tab, and here you can enter the number you want to block manually, or you can select a number you want to block if you have it in already existing contacts. So when you found the number or a contact you want to block, just simply tap on it and then tap done. And here you go, it's now blocked, and you will not receive any messages or calls from this number. Also, you can block a number through the Message app. Open the Message app and select an existing chat. Then go into those three dots in the top right corner and tap block. And now you won't receive messages from this sender. And again, after blocking a number, you won't receive calls or messages from that number, but you will still be able to call or message them if needed. If this video was helpful for you, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.